Now what good is a 8% return अगर आपको उस पे 30% टैक्स देना पड़ जाए? Making tax-free income is quite an art, and that too passively. In this short video, we'll be talking about how to make tax-free passive income through short-term investing and long-term investing. Let's start with short-term first. The first is the dividend income that you receive from your equity investments. Now, this could be investment into mutual funds, it could be investment into stocks, or it could also be investment into exchange trade funds. Whatever dividend income that you receive is completely tax-free. Second is reverse mortgaging your existing house. So if you reverse mortgage your existing house and give it to the bank, the money that you will receive, and that too monthly, is completely tax-free. The third is the interest that you receive in your savings account up to 40,000 rupees is tax-free as per the Taxation Act 80-TTA. And lastly, and most importantly, whatever rentals that you're receiving for up to 5 lakh rupees for an individual is tax-free if they are not receiving any other source of income. Now let's talk long term. The money that you receive at maturity from your life insurances is also tax-free. Now, this maturity can be up to 5, 10 or 20 years, depending on what product that you have bought. Secondly, whatever money that you've invested in Sukanya Samriddhi account, whatever money that you have invested in National Pension Scheme, whatever money that you have invested in PPF or PF are all tax-free. Now, these are all the investments which have a very long maturity period, which is key to understand. Did I just hear you say, cha-ching? Now that you're ready to make tax-free passive income, would you like to know how quickly you can make tax-free passive income in your account? Stay tuned for my next video for more on this.